Welcome back to the Speak English podcast. I'm your host today, Christopher. And let me tell you, I've just returned from one of the most fascinating places I've ever been, Old Dubai. Now, if you think Dubai is only about skyscrapers, luxury malls, and futuristic vibes, think again, because tucked away in the heart of the city is a completely different world, a world full of history, charm, and magic. In today's episode, I'm taking you with me to Old Dubai, through the winding alleys of the souks, the scent of spices in the air, the sound of traders bargaining, and, oh, the delicious street food. And as we explore, I'll also teach you some super useful vocabulary and expressions along the way. So, get comfy, grab a cup of tea, and let's go back in time. The Abra ride. So, I started my journey with an Abra ride. What's an Abra, you ask? Vocabulary word number 1, Abra. An Abra is a small wooden boat used to ferry people across Dubai Creek. Repeat after me, Abra, A-B-R-A. It's simple, old school, and just magical. The water gently rocking the boat, the skyline of both old and new Dubai surrounding you. It's like floating between the past and present. The Spice Souk. Next stop, the Spice Souk. And wow, it was like walking into a rainbow of smells. There were sacks of saffron, dried roses, cinnamon sticks, and colorful powders I couldn't even name. Vocabulary. Word number 2, souk. Souk means market, especially a traditional Arabic-style market. And trust me, this one is full of life. The vendors call out to you with warm smiles, offering you samples, asking where you're from, and always ready to chat. Vocabulary. Word number 3, fragrance. This is a fancy word for smell, usually a nice smell. The fragrance of cardamom and cloves was everywhere. If you ever visit, don't be shy to ask questions or try something new. It's all part of the experience. The textile souk. Now, right across the creek, I walked into the textile souk. Walls lined with rolls of fabric, silk, cotton, linen, in colors I didn't even know existed. And yes, some of the patterns were absolutely stunning. Vocabulary word number 4, intricate. This word means very detailed or complex in design. Many fabrics had intricate embroidery, little golden threads woven in delicate patterns. You'll hear tailors calling out, offering to stitch a custom outfit in just a few hours. Street food delights. After all that walking, you know I had to eat. I found a small shop tucked in a corner, selling hot falafel wraps, shawarma rolls, and sweet luqaimat. Vocabulary. Word number 5, delicacy. A delicacy is a special food that's considered rare or very delicious. Those luqaimat, little fried dough balls drizzled with date syrup, were definitely a delicacy. Crispy outside, soft and warm inside. Pure happiness, culture, and connection. Old Dubai isn't just about the markets. It's about the people, the stories, the feeling of stepping into a slower, simpler time. People there still take time to greet you, to tell you stories, to laugh, and to make you feel like you're a guest, not a tourist. One old man selling handmade perfumes told me, in Dubai, everything changes, except hospitality. And I felt that, deep in my heart. To quick vocabulary. Recap. 1, Abra, small traditional boat. 2, souk, traditional market. 3, fragrance, pleasant smell. 4, intricate, detailed, and complex. 5, delicacy, special or rare food item. Try using these words today. Maybe describe your own neighborhood or a local market using them. All right, my friends, that's it for today's journey through Old Dubai. I hope you enjoyed this little audio escape and learned something new. If you want more episodes like this, let me know. Until next time, this is Christopher, signing off with a heart full of spices, stories, and street food. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep speaking English. Bye for now.